Hi y'all, Yana here at Get Well Coach. So last time we discussed the truth that I found out in my research that sickness and disease is predictable and preventable. It was a very shocking truth that made me change just about everything I did and brought me to this point that not only was I able to heal my own health issues, but also assisted friends, family, and now clients. But people ask me many times, Yana, what can I do in order to help my body and help to heal? Great question. So the research shows that there are three things that really are detrimental to our bodies. And these are the three things that we can attack right away. And that is chronic inflammation, toxicity, and malnutrition. And one way to start attacking that right away is stay away from processed food. Processed food has many different dyes and colors and fillers and things that our body doesn't recognize and therefore goes into chronic inflammation. It brings in toxicity because our bodies were not designed for dye, color, whatever it may be. And because we're not eating real food, the malnutrition becomes chronic and sickness develops. So if that is the one thing you could do, stay away from processed food, stay away from fast food, all these factory foods that I call. And I would like to give you a challenge, if you're up to it, for 1 week. If you could take this challenge and stay away from processed food and fast food, and let me know how your body responded to it. You will start to detoxify. You might go through some sugar cravings and detox that, but it's a great challenge and it will start heal your body fairly quickly. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.